Welcome the Automotive Technician application on the zSpace platform. The Automotive Technician application provides comprehensive auto repair training and a professional teaching environment. Through lifelike simulations, the application guides users through disassembly and assembly operations of automobile engines, gearboxes, chassis, and air-conditioned systems, adhering to industry-standard workflows. With 3 distinct modes, learning, exploration, and practice, the application mirrors the teaching forms of learning, practice, and examination, ensuring a well-rounded educational experience. In addition to practical training, users also gain theoretical knowledge on working principles, enhancing their understanding of automotive mechanics. Overall, by investing in the Automotive Technician application on the zSpace platform, users can expect to enhance their skills, deepen their understanding of automotive mechanics, and ultimately excel in their pursuit of a career in auto repair and maintenance. By creating immersive learning experiences, the Automotive Technician application helps better prepare students to take industry certifications and join the workforce. For more information, visit zspace.com.